If you're cheap like I am and want to cook using the sous vide method, you can make your own machine for under $15. I'm assuming you have a good size cooler and a meat thermometer. Here's how. Purchase this small pump and immersion heater on Amazon. Place them in your cooler along with the probe of your thermometer. I put the heater on this rack to keep it off the bottom. Then fill the cooler with water and turn them on. I sous vide at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll use that to explain what you can expect. It took 2 hours and 51 minutes for the water temperature to rise from 75 degrees to 130. At 130 degrees Fahrenheit, I turned the power off to the heater and let the temperature fall to 128. It takes 2 hours and 20 minutes to fall to 128 and 6 minutes to bring it back up to 130, so it's quite easy to control. Do not turn the pump off. If you want a controller, you can purchase this thermostat and wire it in series with the heater. I stuffed it inside this box with an outlet. It will hold the water right on temperature indefinitely.